right, it is I-70 eastbound here. 1934, 33 degrees. We're about a quarter of the way up the pass. Just checking out this little snowstorm we got going on here. Roads are trying to get bad. Probably will get worse as the night goes on, obviously. Getting pretty lucky so far. But the trouble spots are coming up here. Let's go check them out. Right now it's just a passenger vehicle traction law, no semi-chain law. I've seen 3 plows up here at 1918 going eastbound. But if you're coming up here later, definitely check co-trip. Make sure you have good snow tires. Getting a little slick in this left lane. That right lane sometimes has some big potholes in it, flat tires, alignment issues. I'll get over there momentarily. Here. Alright, it's 1940 and the plows are going back down I-70 east. Be careful up here, the road is doing that one lane thing. Vail Pass is bad. Yeah, not as many plow trucks coming into Summit County, I-70 east, Vail Pass. Oh, I take that back. There's a plow down there. Very nice. Guy's almost driving on the shoulder. Alright, conditions aren't quite as bad over here. Snowflakes are a little bit bigger over there, but it is definitely dumping here. I-70 eastbound, Vail Pass. Heading towards Copper. Alright, that's a Vail Pass evening update. Definitely some icy roads. Make sure you got your tires on point. Use caution if you're traveling tonight. You're going to encounter some heavy snow. Some slick roads in places, so be careful out there.